earlier report.
That I've seen.
My lord has seen.
Pursuant to that, I directed.
Now investigating by the CID because of the my lord the order passed. Now my lord the main thing is that my lord, main thing is that my lord, I shall file the report. Yes, this is the second report. Now my lord, the main thing is that my lord that the money trailing where the money goes. Now my lord, may I tell one thing, my lord, before going to the report. Here my lord, the what happened? Person who complained, who lost the complaint, my lord, he is the my lord, the main person who collected money from the several victims, luring them that they would be provided job in the my lord Aiims. He admitted in the police when the investigation was my lord going on that yes, he collected money. Then the case is that after that, then money transferred to some other persons. There are 3 or 4 accused persons, money transferred. After that, no job provided, and my lord, the FIR lodged against those persons. One is in jail custody, other according to the report, my lord, they obtained bail. No one is it appears. Now, my lord, what happened? As per the
Sujit Nag.
Sujit Nag is the main person, complainant, who, my lord, collected money from the victims. But against Sujit Nag, no FIR, because Sujit Nag initiated the entire thing, complaint, and then, so he is now in safe.
Let him come.
And it appears from the, my lord, the report, first report, and in this report also, that yes, Sujit Nag admitted that he, my lord, collected the money. And after that, there are 4 or 5 accounts where the money transferred. And then all those persons are now being the accused persons. Now the chartered accountant has been engaged because of the order of this court that you have to take something so that the money where goes to trail the money. Now, my lord, this is the my lord, interim report by the my lord, the police, that on the basis of the whatever the statement.
Chartered accountant's job is complete.
It does not appear from this report that the chartered accountant's job has been completed. It does not appear. The report said that it's.
Are you going to file supplementary charge sheet?
No such prayer is made. No such prayer is made.
Huh?
No such prayer is made.
Prayer is not necessary.
No,
it's not necessary, but still date, they have not made any such prayer.
When was the charge sheet submitted, Mr. Sen?
February. Month of February.
আরেকটা রিপোর্ট ছিল আমার কাছে, সেটা কোথায় গেল? Supplementary charge sheet filed in February, possibly.
Already, my lord, as per your lordship direction, my lord, order, sorry, my lord, passed by the honorable justice.
Supplementary provision
Kobbe, February.
Rashtakar month, my lord.
Provision was there to
That
file
was, my lord,
supplementary
petitioner filed a, my lord, application under section 173(8). Thereafter, subsequent, my lord, it was reinvestigated and, my lord, filed charge sheet on February, 23rd February, by the CID.
No,
that order passed by.
If you lordship kindly have a look. Page number দেন না কেন, রিপোর্ট তৈরি করেন, কি আশ্চর্য।
Mr. Sen,
kindly come to page number 3 of the report.
State, I have not followed even. He's making his attempts. Sir, chartered accountant is checking the money trail. What is the chartered accountant doing?
The chartered accountant, I don't know, the chartered accountant has been entrusted to go through the bank statement and other things, whatever the collection.
So you will finally do that. What you will do with that? You have submitted. That is what I'm trying to understand actually. You are doing criminal investigation. Yes. You have got to adhere to the rules of criminal investigation.
Also, I asked
so আমি বুঝতেও পারছি না যে কি করবে।
I also failed to understand, my lord, that they collected the bank statements from the bank, and I also, my lord, understood to that extent.
Are you going to file another charge sheet? What are you going to do?
No, another charge sheet. There is a the sought for, and always that provision is.
No, but are you going to? Why are there chartered accountants? What they will do? You cannot.
I think
post investigation. You cannot create evidence.
No.
Post filing of charge sheet.
No. That
what is the user?
I think, my lord, that they have not yet concluded regarding the, my lord, the end use of the money.
I thought that means that is why I am asking you. Are you going to file another charge sheet?
Another charge sheet to file kora provision ache. But yes, they are.
Provision, I am not bothered.
They are seeking that. They are.
Are you going to file another charge sheet? Now the করে কি লাভ হচ্ছে?
That is
academic হয়ে যাবে তাহলে তো।
True.
Yes. Nothing has been considered. That is, I have also stated that I have collected money from my friends. They are all my friends. And it is including I have also given money. The accused person, thereafter, it's a private job, in the Aiims, private security force, that person, forged everything. Forged, the seal of the Aiims. That is in the report itself, my lord.
So what are you wanting now the court to do?
That, my lord, only, my lord, for the ED investigation, for the purpose of money trail, my lord.
You will go yourself, go inside, sir.
Yes.
You are not before an agency with clean hands. See, your purpose was to get illegally a job.
That my lord,
Your purpose also was to get illegally a job.
that is my lord, not my lord. It cannot be said my lord bribe my lord, because he is the person accused are not my lord.
It appears from the every
They are
report
not the
here
public
also
servant.
primarily money has been collected
Here,
from
my lord,
various
here is the,
persons.
my lord,
Just hear it. The
starting
report
point of that my lord, when the money trail will start
my lord, in the report
the
itself,
money trail will start.
primarily money has been collected from various persons by following
When
persons.
it is infused
Number
in the,
one,
I
Sujit
have
Nath.
got my lord on bona fide
petitioner
belief, my lord,
before
I have
your
given.
How can you be bona fide, sir? Illegally, you are wanting a job, you are bona fide.
That is my lord private job, not in my lord any government.
But even if it is a private
And
job,
entire
sir,
money collected by him.
why should the money be paid for a job? Answer
I
me.
mean, it is not a bribe, my lord.
Then what is
It's
it?
not a bribe. It's a
Honorarium.
No, my lord, it's a private, my lord, security force, my lord. Private, my lord.
If he
Private
is
So what? What is that? What is that type of money called? Character of that type of money? Legal, illegal?
যে money main collection করলো
Only my lord, I can say
কোনো step নিলেন না ব্যাপারটা বুঝতেই পারা যাচ্ছে না I also fail to understand the person who is the kingpin in the matter who first initiated this racket by collecting
now,
money.
my lord, they are changing their report, my lord. They are
I am not
report,
changing.
Yes, they are. Kindly see the first report they have, my lord.
First report also
Report is not
everything has stated that who is the
It
main,
is in the report, everything
and he
is there.
said that I have collected the money.
Who is the
Evidence
main
said that
culprit?
he
My
has
lord, may I
collected
read
the
one
money.
line, my lord, only. Principal accused Somnath Biswas is identified as main architect of the scheme and
And
directly
architect-
involved in backing. Now, my lord,
He is involved in this matter.
Sir, you have collected money, yes or no?
that is, my lord, yes, my lord, I have stated that.
Collected money for what purpose? For providing job?
Not for me, my lord. I have not allude them. I have not allude them, my lord.
Then you yourself was a
Yes,
participant.
I can produce all the, my lord, that persons. They can say before your lordship.
আরে আমার কাছে বলে কি হবে আমি ইনভেস্টিগেটিভ
No, that is, I am also my lord, wondering if the investigation is over. They have filed my lord, supplementary charge sheet.
তো ইনভেস্টিগেশন করে না প্রথমে অ্যাকিউজ করে দিতে পার্ডন করে দিতে হয় তারপরে ঠিক মতো হয় শেখাতেও হবে ইনভেস্টিগেশন প্রথমে আসামি করে দিতে হবে তারপর পার্ডন দিয়ে দিতে হবে তারপরে কাজ হবে নাহলে কাজ হবে না স্যার আর ইউ গোইং টু ইউ আর ওয়ান্টিং ইডি
My lord.
আই এম রিফিউজিং ইউর প্রেয়ার নাও সিন্স দ্য
Kindly see this, my lord.
গো টু
judgment,
অ্যাপিল
my lord.
স্যার গো টু
I
অ্যাপিল
mean,
হ্যাঁ জাজমেন্ট দেখি
It's also reported in SSA online, my lord. Written it.
ইয়েস টেল মি হুইচ ইজ দ্য রেলেভেন্ট প্যারাগ্রাফ
এসএসসি এর অনলাইনে এটা বলো ভাই
টেল মি দ্য রেলেভেন্ট প্যারাগ্রাফ
সাইটেশনটা বলো
Para 87 and 88, my lord.
সাইটেশনটা বলো
Citation is,
আচ্ছা জজ স্যারকে প্যারাগ্রাফটা বলো আমাকে বলো
hold on, ED. That is without.
ওরা আগে একটা রিপোর্ট ছিল
Here 87 88 what is there that you are
Yes,
getting strength in support of your case
It is, my lord, when my lord offense starts
Huh.
of money laundering.
তার মধ্যে
That will not cover this case. The
that is not cover
This case, because petition is not involved. They are trying to
কাজ করো
establish before a lordship that petition is also involved.
how is 87 I don't understand say what is 87 certain questions framed by the Supreme Court
Yes, that my lord. May I read, my lord?
Are what are the point which points sir whether without identifying the proceeds of crime or of property
It is a question formulated. They have to given the.
at the how is it applicable in this case
It says, my lord, even if there is, my lord, allegation of money laundering, then it has to be investigated by the ED.
all cases are there sir
মানি লন্ডারিং বলো তাহলে সবই ইডি কি বলছে বুঝে যাচ্ছে
where,
My lord, order passed by the honorable her ladyship, my lord.
where is that you have made any representation to the ED for taking
Yes,
up
yes,
this
yes.
case
Last annexure, my lord. 55, my lord.
so where is ED is not representing
First, my lord.
where is ED made a party
Yes, my lord. Yes.
the ED is not representing oh বুঝলাম না where is ED
Well, previously, my lord, appeared.
who appeared
Yes, Stevens.
who appeared
Yes, yes, Deputy Solicitor General appeared.
ED Mr. Orijit Chakraborty appears
I think, my lord, in order, one order your lordship will find. The last order passed by her ladyship. Just Honorable Justice Amrita Sinha.
জানি না বাবা কি করেছে এগুলো।
চেঞ্জ হয়ে যায় কি আপনাদের কি অসুবিধা আমার কি অসুবিধা আগে তোকে
In time wasting charge.
May I give a notice and come back?
আগেই তোকে তুলি
See, unnecessarily, I'm not here to keep matters pending like this, sir. You come up when, what is the quantum of money according to you which has been laundered?
My lord, nearly 70 lakhs from different persons. The other victims also, according to investigating agency also.
70 lakhs. 70 lakhs ওরা করবে? I don't think so.
No, that is my lord.
from whom collected money no particular
That is
details
only my
nothing
tip of the
from
iceberg.
whom
So many other things will be revealed.
but the thing is this that the
No,
main,
that way I cannot give that.
main person is the petitioner himself who collected the money
Whoever it is, sir, you have investigated. চলে আসুন. The petitioner has approached this court with prayer to direct the respondent number 3, that is the Enforcement Directorate, to register an ECIR on the basis of the complaint of the petitioner dated 23/8/2023 and other consequential acts which are basically to the effect that Enforcement Directorate should take up the investigation of the case.
status
Full stop.
বোঝার চেষ্টা করবে একটু
Acha, status report was sought for from the state. State is also continuing with the investigation for ascertaining the proceeds of crime and the distribution thereof. The subject matter of the case involves providing আনন্দিক আসতে বলে ভালো লাগে না ওকে 5টা বেজে গেছে ইশারা করে দাও নাহলে কিন্তু আবার সবাই চাইছে কি বললাম
subject matter of the case involves providing
the subject matter of the case involves providing job at All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Kolani, for which
That is private job. Kindly record it.
why should I record that, sir? For providing job at Kolani.
Government job.
What is government and private? Institute is government.
No, it is outsourcing. My lord.
The
They
outsourcing. So providing government or private job is for the investigating agency to find out. Why should I classify the job? আচ্ছা কি হয়েছে হ্যাঁ for which the complainant collected money and gave it to different persons. So finally he was handed over with fake appointment letters. Acha, full stop. Next stage. At this stage, after charge sheet has been submitted also, state is carrying on with ascertainment of facts by engaging chartered accountants. The same prima facie do not seem to be complete. The investigation of the case started in the year 2022. কে করে না করে আবার একটা ইডি জুড়ে দিয়ে ইডি একটা চলছে হাইকোর্ট আছে যায় না
now they are eyeing on several bank statements my lord provided by the banks my lord
where are you trying to reach? I don't understand.
that's it filed and now all this
Full stop. In view of the proceeds of the crime still not being identified by the investigating agency, I am of the view that it would be the discretion of the Enforcement Directorate whether to accept or not to accept any case. As a learned advocate, A8 for the petitioner has also relied upon the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in Y. Balaji versus Karthik Desari and another reported in 2023 Live Law SC 440, which lays down the law relating to the genesis of the
post title কি ছিল
initiation of the case is by the Enforcement Directorate, the introduction of money, the introduction for ascertaining proceeds of crime, aim and money laundering. I do not find the present case having any application to the ratio decided in the case so cited. Full stop. it is reiterated, it would be for the investigating, it would be for the enforcement directorate to decide independently whether they intend to take up this case or not. This court will not direct the enforcement directorate to take up the case, as the complaint offense is a scheduled offense, and the enforcement directorate within the premises of law are empowered to take up the investigation without being directed by a court of law. Full stop. With the aforesaid observations, WPA 2399 of 2023 is disposed of. Report submitted today be returned to Mr. Sen, learned advocate appearing for the petition.